Ever wondered how to streamline your mixing and transportation process for flooring applications? Mixing in the Mega Hippo is easy and great, but there's gotta be a better way to get even more efficient, right? Let's explore the features and benefits of the Pelican Transport Cart. The Pelican Transport Cart is a solution crafted with the flooring professional in mind. Designed to complement the Mega Hippo mixing stations, the Pelican simplifies the task of transporting a full 5 to 6 bag mix. Its unique design, featuring a lower height and pivot point compared to the Mega Hippo Gen 1 and Gen 2, ensures ease of use and adaptability. This lower height makes it easier to elevate your Mega Hippo to pour mixes directly into the Pelican. There are many ways you can elevate your Mega Hippo to pour into the Pelican, but the most recommended method is to build a stage from leftover pallets with a safe top and the Hippo firmly mounted. The Pelican uses the same exact liner as the Mega Hippo units, ensuring it can handle the full capacity and remains an integrated piece of your product workflow. Another variation on the Pelican is the Pelican Cart Kit, which includes a lid, dust port, and hand motor mount for users to mount their own hand mixers, turning the Pelican into a 2 to 3 bag mixer. The standard Pelican Transport Cart costs $992 MSRP, 1,027 pounds RRP, and 1,580 New Zealand dollars RRP. These prices can fluctuate, so be sure to check at Portamix.com for the most updated MSRP and RRPs. Beyond the price, it's the long-term benefits like reduced downtime and increased productivity that truly add value. Please like and subscribe to Portamix on YouTube and head over to portamix.com/resources for more helpful content for flooring installation professionals. And until next time, keep mixing with the best.